Have you ever wondered how people are making money online so easily? What if I told you you too can earn from the comfort of your home with just a laptop and ChatGPT? Sounds too good to be true? Let me show you how, step by step. Meet Nahian. He was tired of his 9 to 5 routine and wanted to explore freelancing, but he had no idea where to start. He tried job portals, sent emails, and even considered giving up. One day, he stumbled upon ChatGPT and his journey took a turn. In just a week, Nahian earned his first $200. Curious how? Let's break it down. Here are 5 ways Nahian and thousands of others are making money using ChatGPT. Content writing. Write blogs, articles, or even ebooks. ChatGPT helps you create high-quality content in minutes, saving time and effort. Social media management. Manage posts, captions, and content calendars for businesses. ChatGPT generates creative ideas, making your job easier. Product reviews and copywriting. Create compelling product descriptions for e-commerce sites or reviews that sell. Digital marketing. Need catchy ad copy, email campaigns, or marketing strategies? ChatGPT can deliver in seconds. Online courses and tutorials. Use ChatGPT to structure and write educational content, then sell it on platforms like Udemy. Now it's your turn. Want to make money online with ChatGPT? Subscribe to TechTool IT, check the links below, and take your first step toward financial freedom. Let's make your dream a reality.